Hi guys, today I'll explain how to download Trust Wallet application on your Android mobile phone, as well as on your Apple device. This process is simple and easy, and the method for both is same. Using my method, you can download it on your Android and on your Apple device. The first thing you have to do is you need to open your Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. Once your store will be open, take a look on the bottom of your mobile screen. You will see a search bar icon. Just click on it. Once, you will click on it. On the top, you can see the option of search apps and game. Just click on it. And here, enter the name of your desired application. Like I will write Trust Wallet. Once you write everything, just click on this search icon. On the second number, you can see the application Trust Wallet, Bitcoin Wallet. Click on it. Because I already installed this application into my mobile phone, so that's why here is the options of open. But if you have not yet, then here you will see the option of install. Just click on that, and once the installation will be done, click on the option Open to open your Trust Wallet application. And as you can see, my Trust Wallet has been open because I already create an account so that I jump to the homepage of Trust Wallet. But before using it, you have to create your account in Trust Wallet. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.